So I found this AI tool that will do the video editing for you. It can replace 20 hours of editing with just one simple click. So this is a game changer. If you're not using this, you're missing out. It's called Opus Clip. So here's a website and it is super easy to use. So to use it, it's super simple. You just gotta go to your YouTube video and grab the URL and you just copy and paste the URL here and just click this. That's all you gotta do. And then the AI will get to work here, as you can see. It takes just about a few minutes. So let's take a look around the website while the AI is generating the videos. So you can create content 10 times faster, and this is the whole selling point. So instead of hiring an editor or spending 20 hours editing a video, one click is all you need. So one common question is, can I add captions? So Opus Clip actually automatically adds captions for you with over 97% accuracy. You can change the text and edit it after it's created, so it's super convenient. What types of videos can I upload? So at the moment, they recommend at least 15 minutes of content in the original videos to have the best results. And the types of videos that perform well with Opus Clip include video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches, and etc. And then let's say is Opus Clip free to use. Opus Clip is currently free to use, up to 5 hours of uploaded videos. So that's about 50 downloadable clips. They will roll out a paid plan in May with a free forever tier. Okay, it's done here. So as you can see, it created 10 shorts based on a 13-minute video. And then it's so cool because it automatically adds the caption. It gives you the title. And then obviously you can also edit anything in the captions if you need to. So it does the captions automatically for you. And then let's play this.
What made you choose that major?
They all do finance and stuff like that. So like I sort of like grew up around that. Yeah. So it's just like
This is amazing.
So do you think college is worth it?
Yes, because I think if you just try to go out into like the business world without experience, you'll make like a lot of mistakes.
So I already had like the subtitles in the original video, so it kind of comes out weird, but so it's best when you upload one without any of the subtitles. So the AI will automatically do the subtitles for you. So which is really cool.
What would someone have to pay?
So it also gives you a viral score, which is the likelihood that this video will go viral on Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. So it's just like a score for the Shorts. So this is so dope, man. This is so dope. So that's all for this video. If you got value from this, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you in the next video.